This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil life in your Cadillac XDS. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine is not running. This is a crucial initial step to access the necessary menus. You'll then use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate through the Driver Information Center. Look for the oil life remaining display to begin the process, which typically shows a percentage. Once the ignition is on, use the directional buttons on the right side of your steering wheel to scroll through the Driver Information Center. You'll want to find the menu that displays your current oil life percentage. When you see oil life remaining on the screen, you are in the correct spot. Now, press and hold the Select button, often labeled SEL, on your steering wheel controls. Continue to hold down the Select button for a few seconds. You should see the oil life percentage on the display change. It will typically reset to 100%, indicating a successful reset. Once you see this change, you can release the button. This action confirms that your Cadillac XDS's oil life monitor has been reset. After confirming the reset, turn off your vehicle's ignition completely. This action saves the new oil life setting, ensuring it's retained for your next drive. Remember, regular oil changes are vital for engine health and longevity. It's a simple maintenance task that makes a big difference. Also, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.